to meditation on sexual desire. Sexual desire, which channels all of our senses together, is particularly powerful and can radically alter the way we see things. In sexual passion, the man or woman we desire appears perfect in every respect, unchanging, and worthy of being loved forever. Every detail of their being has an extraordinary aura to it. We cannot imagine life without them. But unfortunately, as everything changes by nature, what we perceive as adorable today can suddenly lose its attraction as a result of a few words or a gesture, however trivial. Worse still, if we discover that this person who we had thought was perfect loves someone else, they can all of a sudden appear quite reprehensible.